So I've got the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P, and I'll be showing you how to update the firmware of this gimbal. So what you need to do is make sure the gimbal is connected to your phone, and then go to the App Store, either on the Google Play Store for Android or on the Apple App Store for iPhone users, and download this DJI MIMO app. Now once you download the app and it's connected, anytime you launch the app, it's going to prompt you to download. It's going to prompt you if there's an available firmware update to download. Alternatively, from the home page, at the top there, anytime there's a firmware update file to be downloaded, it's going to prompt you with this. So currently, as you can see, it's prompting me. So all I have to do now is tap on that, and then it's going to start downloading the firmware update. Now make sure the gimbal is charged, and do not disconnect the two devices during this process. All right, so all I have to do now is confirm by tapping on install at the bottom. It's going to be a 1.3 MB file, so it should take a short time. That's going to turn off the gimbal. As you can see, I'm just going to try and show the phone. That will not disconnect the two. Just keep them close by. The gimbal is still on, as you can see. Okay, so let's just wait for this process to finish up. It's a small file, so it should be quick. You might see on the little screen on the gimbal that it's moving haphazardly. We should be almost through by now. You actually don't even need to have this on, okay? As long as the gimbal is on and connected to your phone, this should work. And just be patient. If you feel like it's taking a bit longer than you expected, just be patient. It all depends on the speed of your phone, your internet connection speed, and how long it has been since you last updated the firmware. So all those are factors that will affect speed. Meanwhile, let's just wait. We're almost there, 97%. $99. Bingo. So it says the update was a success. So all you have to do now is tap on done, and that should be it. And now you can see that little message has disappeared. The firmware message that was at the top there on the home page is now gone. So that is basically how to update the firmware of your DJI Osmo Mobile 7P and also the other Osmo Mobile 7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.